Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anindita and in today's video I'm gonna recreate ALIA Bhatt's Gangubai Kathiawadi makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So further ado, let's get started. So guys, first I'm using this Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner, and using a toner before your makeup is really helpful for your skin. Next I'm using this Plum Mattifying Moisturizer because in this look she carried a matte finish makeup. So after applying this moisturizer, I'm just gonna tap it into my skin. Then I'm gonna leave it for I think 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna use a lip balm. So I'm gonna use this Dr. Lip Balm. It's a very cheap lip balm. You can use Vaseline also. So next I'm using this Inside 3-in-1 silicone based primer. So you should never ever skip primer before your makeup, because it helps you to minimize your open pores. Next I'm gonna use the T5 concealer palette, and I'm gonna take that dark concealer shade to do the under contour thing, because I think it gives you the perfect dimension to your face, but also it doesn't look that much harsh. So yeah, I'm just doing this right now and I'm gonna blend it after applying it on my face. So guys, next I'm using a red lipstick and I'm gonna use it as a blush, and this is from Inside. I got it from Nykaa as a free product, and believe me guys, this technique is really amazing. It will help you to achieve a high coverage base. So yeah, I'm just blending it with my fingers right now. So I'm gonna use two foundations today. The first one is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, and the next one is the Inside foundation. I like the Inside foundation more, but I use both of them for more coverage and the flawless look. And yeah, so I'm applying it on my skin. I'm looking like a clown right now, but don't worry. It's gonna be okay in few minutes. So I'm using my finger to blend it first, then I'm gonna use a flat foundation brush to blend my base. And I think you guys can see the little bit blush and contour effect on my skin right now. So next I'm using a beauty blender to blend my base. So you guys can see it looks really good right now. And today I'm not gonna use any concealer because I don't want to, and also in her look she have little bit dark circles. So yeah, that's why I'm not going to use any concealer. And I'm fixing my base with the Glam 21 makeup setting spray. Next I'm using this Wet n Wild brow fixer or something, brow kit, and her brows are really big and bushy, so I'm just gonna do the same thing with my little brows. So next I am using Maybelline Fit Me Compact to set my base. Next I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer as my eyeshadow base. I'm just applying 2 dots on my eyelid. Then I am using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I am just using a warm brown shade on my eyelid, and her eye makeup was very simple, so I'm just doing this on my lid. Then I'm curling my lashes to give it a little bit of volume. And for liner, I'm going to use the Lakme Insta liner, and I'm applying a thin liner near my lash line. That's it. And next I'm using Faces Canada Kajal, and in this look the main attraction is the kajal. So yeah, I'm gonna apply the kajal my upper lash line, then I'm gonna apply it on my waterline and the lower lash line. I'm gonna make it as thick as I can. Next, I'm using this dark brown shade and I'm gonna just place it on my kajal. I'm not gonna smudge it, I'm just gonna place it on my kajal. Then I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So next here I'm using Sugar Blush in the shade 02 to give it a more fresh and natural look. I just love this shade a lot. Then I'm using Anastasia Glow Kit Highlighter to give it a natural glow on my face. And then I am using the same makeup fixing spray from Glam 21. Then for lipstick, I'm gonna use the Elite lipstick in the shade 96 Hot Pink and I'm applying it with a brush. So my look is almost complete. Then I'm using my liner to make that, I think, Nazatika. And for the red big bindi, I am using my Kiss Beauty lipstick. So yeah, that's it. Let's check out the final look. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.